Hey guys, what's up? I'm here with two YouTubers. What's your name?
Knuckles.
Underwear Man. Oh yeah.
I killed a chicken.
I went to Walmart, bought an ops kit. Comes with a pistol and a rifle. It's a standard issue M16A4. Comes with a standard issue clip. The sights are pretty awesome. You can do long range or short range. It's not automatic. It's a pull back. The safety. It comes with a grip. I don't prefer the grip that much. I prefer just keep my hand on it and firing. So more videos to come because I'm that awesome.
Victorious.
When I hold the rifle, it feels like really awesome. I have a hooker thing, not a hooker thing, but a thing that I hook onto it so I can put the strap on, and that's all. My my cousin just leveled up, so yeah. Peace.